All right, welcome guys. I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes,
Yes, great, bro. How are you doing?
we are doing great.
Awesome. All right, so let us see. Let us have a look at some pairs. Yeah, let's start with Euro USD, I would say.
Yeah.
See some type of pump and dump, looking like a consolidation area right about here. Friday, we got the retest of the low of the week. So I think so if we look at the overall market structure, I would definitely say that the Euro USD is about to go at least to the high of Thursday or Wednesday, where we saw this M formation and market makers came up and stopped hunted the high, triggered all those buy limit orders and stop losses of the retail sellers before they actually are starting to reverse the markets. Actually, I think that this support area is a liquidity zone which became trapped. So, in my opinion, we could definitely see a rise. So at least, to Wednesday's high should be here. Next one would be here, I think so. And let's see if they are coming up to this area here and maybe break out and starting then a new trend. Let's see, but that's my opinion how we could see Euro USD the upcoming days. So if you have any wishes, which pair we could or we should check, just let us know. Or Kasia, if you want to say something, let me know, bro.
Yeah, you can check Dixie, DXY,
Yes.
dollar strength index. Who is there on the video? Can you stop the video? Because it's doing nothing but just loading.
That looks good, bro.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you see?
Oops.
Don't you think it's going to come down now?
I think it's coming down. Yeah, definitely.
Yes,
You see these resistance here zone, that liquidity zone, where retail traders are trapped many times. So actually, this resistance zone became a support. We saw here the M formation at the high of the day. I would definitely say that DXY is coming down.
Yeah, and that means all the dollar pairs are going into a buy rather than in a sell, like wherever the dollar is on the second side.
Yes.
That is a clear indicator.
And you see, I would definitely see, say, this here's the low of the week. This here's the, let's say this was the previous week before. So in here we have also this massive gap, which is not filled, bro, right now. So
yeah, it has to fill.
Yeah, definitely. So I would
In my
say,
eyes,
in my
is
opinion,
coming around 99.10, around something like that. It's
yes.
coming around that place. Yeah, but that will be a massive thing if that happens,
So yeah, this would be my take profits if I would take the trade personally. Yeah, Kashif, what do you say? I think that's okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Let's look at Let's look at AUD NZD.
wait a minute.
You want to put a short position here. Yeah, it's a sell. In
Yeah.
the coming 2 or 3 weeks, it's a huge sell. It's going to show. A lot of things go. This week will be a thunderstorm.
Yeah. All right. So AUD NZD. Let's check it out. All right.
Bullish flag.
So we got a high here, which became now a support.
Yeah.
Market coming up, accumulating here more orders, while inducing some sellers where they think, all right, here we see an M formation, here we see an M formation and stuff like this.
Then a
So
W
yeah, price is
formation.
respecting the zone. Let's say, yeah, it would be a sell, and at the exact same time, you see daily market structures happening, and you also, if you use our DMA, setup, you see market makers came down to the low of the day, making the W formation, accumulating here more sell orders and buy orders and stuff like this. And if you're smart enough to see this, you could say, all right, yeah, that's a buy. That's a buy. So wait for another stop hunt, which actually happened here. So I think this is a peak formation high. It could be a peak formation high. So yeah, let's see. I would say they are doing some type of this, and yeah, going furthermore down. So maybe they are inducing now until, I
More
don't know,
buyers.
Tuesday or Wednesday, and then yeah, depending on what news are coming out the week.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Looking at dollar index and then gold, since AUD is connected with gold,
yes,
so I'm thinking that it will make a higher high. And on the left side of structure, there is a daily resistance.
Mhm.
So
Yeah. Let's see. Let us see how it will play out. So all right, another one.
let's see GU. Okay, USD JPY. USD JPY will be USD JPY is in a funny mood.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, Vesta is saying the password is wrong. His Zoom is saying password is wrong. So
Normally it
yes,
should work.
normally it should work. So yeah, it will, as I told when on 8th of May,
Mhm.
the funny part, when it was all unfolding, when Bank of America entered at around early morning 1.24500, and they are looking to go until 1.2 yeah 20,000 something like that.
Yeah,
So market maker came in, spike higher, the perfect move,
yeah, yeah. And
in the
then
middle.
going for the liquidity.
Yes,
So yeah,
and between grabbing more buyers,
that's like the perfect example right about here. So yeah, made a high, make this wedge formation breakout, stop hunting the
picks
high,
up, yeah,
and
big buy.
this wick here was green one candle, so they just came up in 1 hour. So maybe let's see, a little information, stuff like this, or just a stop hunt. Yeah, if you go, yeah, that's a little information here. So yeah, stop hunted and inducing more buyers, and then go against all those retail traders.
Yeah, 1.2600 is to 6,000 is a key level. So yeah. So GBUSD is bearish, even though many people are saying buy, buy, buy when the market opens. The structure is already broken on the from the left side. It's
Yes,
going down, unfortunately,
definitely.
to at least
And
1.9 thousand something.
you also see that price was accumulating here with those fake support and resistance zones, where retail traders get in and into a buy and think, all right, that's the perfect time. And
To
yeah,
buy.
there are numbers like 3 touches or stuff like that, which is
The
a
fourth one
fake
goes down.
time to buy. Yeah, and then this is what dump money does. Yeah, this is what
Yeah.
retail traders are doing. So don't be a retail trader, please. Do yourself a
A
favor.
big favor.
Yeah, a big favor. And if you go more in depth on those fake support and resistance zones, or AKA trap zones and liquidity zones, you also see that market makers building up some type of induction trend. So here's a perfect example for this. Let me show to you. So market maker came down to the low of the day. So and then retail traders get in, buying, thinking, all right, market is going higher and higher. So, wait a moment. We have one touch, second touch, third touch, and goodbye. So where are the stop losses of those buyers? For sure here, for sure here, and for those ones who bought here, the stop loss would be here, right about here, at this area. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Here the same exact type of induction trend, and even here, yeah, where this W formation came in and retraced. Oh, fault, yeah, all right, let's get in. But yeah, as you can see, price was respecting these DMAs but didn't break it. And if you take a closer look, you also see daily market structure. Yeah, so, and goodbye. That's how easy it is when you know how this is structured. So yeah, it's all about
Yeah.
daily market structure, guys. It's all about it, and that's easy. So coming up and buy. So exact same on the other side, and yeah. All right, yeah, another one.
Let's look at gold. Let's have a look at gold. Almost hit my take profit one, and
Yes. So and that's really funny. That's really funny because this breakout was visible. So there was no fucking reason to sell here because look at this resistance zone, at the strong resistance zone. So when price came up one time, here, second time, third
third
time,
time and fourth
and
time it will always
yes,
cross.
and they make the high and then coming down, inducing more, and then accumulating right about here. So, and this is when all right, they are going to
By
set up the initial trap. So this is the pre-trap they are showing you, and yeah, want to get you in, and then say goodbye. Stop hunting behind, say goodbye. So yeah, my expectation for gold, let's look on the higher time frame, is bearish, definitely bearish. Guys, problem, reaction, solution.
yeah, it has. I think, to my knowledge, it will drop. There will be a pullback
Yes.
for sure for some time now. And there is another reason for that, since gold is moving with oil, and oil has also had an extended rally. So market maker wants to take out the liquidity now. That is right there at 1747 to 1760 zone. So they want to take it. As I see, as soon as the market opens, there will be a bull push. But as soon as it will induce some people, retail traders, it will suddenly pull back, from
Yeah.
1750 level.
Yes.
It's a key level.
Yeah, I
And
totally agree with that, bro. Totally.
from there, it will be just, an elevator falling that down without a spring or anything, with a fair electricity bill.
First inducing, then say goodbye. All right, yeah, let's see. But I have the same expectation for gold, definitely.
Exactly. Okay, so let's go to how about USDCHF?
Sure. Might be also short for this one. Might be also short.
Yeah, and it is according to the fundamentals as well. Since dollar is will be having a resistance pullback,
Hmm?
and USCHF will become strong. There will be choppy action, but there will be 40 50 pips movement in a range. As you see, it's moving in some kind of a range up and
Yes,
down.
yes, yes. All right. Thank you. So yeah, for UCCHF, I think this was another induction trend. You see,
Yes.
guys, 1, 2, 3 touches and then say goodbye. We also saw here this little M formation. Looks awesome. So going now for the liquidity. So our first, yeah, take profit would be right about here. Maybe then it comes, do something like this before they are going to continue
Yeah.
the trend. So yeah, then going for the next one. But if you want to get a better or yeah, safer entry, wait for the DMA crossover and maybe another retest. But these retests not always are showing up. And if you know that this was an induction trend and the overall market structure and weekly structure says to you that is a sell, then you should look for a sell. And yeah, not waiting for the DMA crossover and retest. So, yeah.
We can have a look at USD CAD now. That is fine. My God.
Interesting. Interesting.
Hmm. I think it will be bullish, and with a pullback first, and then a straight rally upwards to 1.2500,
Yeah.
1.42500, something like that. At least until 1.41800 minimum.
Yeah, maybe they form a trend right now until Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't
Yeah,
know how it looks
and
with the
then
news. No cat news, but
this.
however, um, I think that's possible until Tuesday or Wednesday, and then
Yeah,
going again higher.
and then it will again fall, but it's
Yeah.
falling again in a range. So yeah, it's making lower highs. That means it somehow is going to break that trend towards upward again.
Hmm.
It has been bearish for a lot of time now. So yeah, we should wait for the pullback. In my eyes.
Yes, maybe they are doing the exact same they did the week before, um,
Yeah.
where they made here this resistance breakout, inducing and yeah, hitting stop losses, and then going against the market or the retail trends. Better said. So yeah. Let's see.
And let's look at US oil. Yeah, amazing, you know.
Yes.
Already approaching the upper limit. My take profit one is hit, but there should be a retest of this resistance
Yes.
that has now become the support
Yes.
before going up. So this will be another chance to enter on the pullback for the anyone who wants to take buy on the oil. Yeah.
Exactly. Let's have a look on the higher time frame.
And there is a gap to be filled as well.
Yes. 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 Yeah. Let's see.
Let's look at natural gas. So
First one.
we are diversifying our trading as well. Yeah, natural gas has a perfect structure, market structure, by the way, to everyone. There, you guys are listening. There will be a buy. It's approaching its good support level, and here you go.
Yes.
So in some time, it has to go in a buy. That's what I think.
Yeah. I think maybe they are doing some kind of this.
Yeah, but it will be a triple test. You know, it's already reaching its
It could also yeah, going one level deeper.
one level
But
down.
but, but
Yeah,
I
1
think
point.
but I think this could be also possible.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see how the market is reacting at those zones, and then yeah, be like water.
Next one, let's have a
USD
look at
star.
USD ZAR, the most favorite. No one is asking about that.
Let's check it out.
Someone is asking. And Nasdaq, S&P 500, both are the same. It's going to break out.
So in my opinion, it could also go one more time higher. Because we always saw these downtrend here forming up. So maybe
I
this
think,
could also end up like a wedge pattern.
yes,
Yeah, it's a
but
form of
it will coil up just like gold did, you know. I think it's coiling for the upward movement. It will go maybe a bit few
Something.
levels down, and yeah, this is a strong level from where it has got rejection.
Yeah,
So it will do like something like that, you know.
yeah, I think so.
In your session, it will be a buy.
absolutely. I also thought that it would do that.
And in the coming months, it will be a huge buy. You know, it's my prediction, and anyone can write it down somewhere. It will rally. ZAR has no fundamentals or any legs to start on. Like it was just a nice pullback, and now it's going in a buy. It cannot break through the structure now.
Yes. All right.
Next one, let's check S&P 500 or no, Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq. Yeah.
Looks for me like a buy.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a rising channel, and already it might do a bit of on the, if you go on the higher time frame, it's test, it will might test upper resistance, then come down, lower channel, and then go up again.
Yes. That's possible. I think so, definitely. But yeah, I wouldn't jump in any position right now. So yeah, you know.
Yeah, because it's already on a engulfing.
Yeah,
It needs a pullback right now because it's
you
approaching.
know, you can buy this one here, this W. You can buy this market structure here. So yeah, you can do this stuff. You can also buy this wedge and then here say goodbye. Yeah.
Say goodbye. Yeah.
So yeah, stuff like this.
If you go on the right now, what is happening? It's coming to the say goodbye and then it will come up.
Yeah,
It's kind of same. It will reach the upper resistance, then come down, selling action, uh, inducing sellers, and then it will go into a buy again.
exactly.
So
Yeah,
it's
that's pretty funny. That's pretty
very
funny.
simple, you know. It's
Yeah,
I don't know why people are buying at the top and selling at the bottom. I don't
I don't know
understand.
as well, but yeah.
Let's check USD NOK. You know, that's another good
We
pair.
could check a Euro USD, bro.
Euro USD. Yeah,
So
yeah. Okay, one
at the
more.
beginning of this webinar, we already talked about Euro USD. I think that it may could be going up right now, so inducing more buyers, and then yeah, let's see how the market reacts at this area here. Then, so there could be a breakout and then going much more down, or they are, yeah, you know, accumulating here and then breakout to the high. So yeah.
Yeah, let's look at USD NOK. You know, these pairs like NOK and ZAR pay a lot, you know, at a very amazing level. If you go on the left side, on the higher side, time frame 1 hour, yeah, it's rejecting this level. It means the pullback or the correction is already done. NOK has no level to stand against a USD. For sure, it's a buy from this level. And yeah, have a look. It's rejecting even on 4 hours.
Yes, here.
Yeah.
That looks like a little W formation right about here.
Yeah. It will might retest in the Asian and London session, but then go up again.
Yeah.
And it has more liquid, like more bullish character to it.
Even
Let's,
also, there are more sellers than buyers into this one here.
yeah,
So definitely is the liquidity above here. So
yes.
I would totally agree with that.
I think it will in the coming week, like in 1 week or so, it will go in the rally, you know, again back up. Uh, all depends on market action, how it happens with DXY. Let's see.
Yes. Let us see. All
Yeah.
right. So any other one?
Let's check. Yeah, GBP JPY, the most favorites amongst scalpers. The 25th movement.
Awesome.
Yeah. So on the 3 hour down. So yeah, GPJPY, you know, it looks as if it has broken the structure. So it will induce, it will be in a buy and then in a sell, you know, it's still going down.
Yeah, there will be a bias trap then happening.
Yeah, it will retest the upper channel. Yeah.
Yeah, they will break out. Yeah, some kind
and then come down.
Right.
So we have to wait until, I believe, Tuesday is the best day for them. Most of the time, Tuesday reversals or maximum Wednesday. That's what I think.
Yes, I think the same, bro.
Okay.
Definitely.
Let's so there is a possible trade there in US GBP JPY.
Yes.
Now we can have a look at there will be a strong resistance. If you see, sometimes the trading view is doing amazing things, not letting you draw
Doing
lines.
anything. Doing anything. Yeah, let's see. Definitely.
And now we can check. I believe we can check silver.
Mhm.
Silver has the same action as nice. Looking for a correction now. Definitely a lot of rallying, there should be a pullback. It's a 3-hour action.
Yeah.
Even 4 days upward movement. Now it needs to come down. And
yeah, after a big rise, the market needs more guys. So
I think it will come down to 16 for 16.10 something for a pullback.
Yes.
Yeah, retest and then goes up again.
Yeah.
But it can turn down as well, depending upon US dollar strength. It all depends upon the news,
Yes.
Now, yeah, that's what I think. So next we can check BTC USD Bitcoins.
Which one?
Bitcoins.
All right.
BTC. Yeah, it's also approaching a sell. My God, such a wick. If you check the 1 hour, that would be better,
I think so.
Because 30 minutes it will be just a lot of noise. So looking at Bitcoin, ready for a sell, but first it will hit the higher high.
Yeah, I think it looks like a little bit of rejection zone right about here.
Yeah. So it's planning to dump everyone.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
I think
it will go to 10,400 something level, spike up and suddenly crash, major resistance level is coming now.
Yeah, there will be some type of shit coming up the next time on Bitcoin.
Yeah, I think it is due in a few days.
So yeah, guys, if you have any other wishes, let us know. Otherwise, we only have 6 minutes left. So yeah, if you have any questions, let us know.
I think we can check gas. It's an reverse ETF or natural gas.
You guess.
You can check gas. GAZ.
G and
UGAZ. Not UN. Just
can you write it down, bro?
Okay.
Thank you.
Give me a sec.
Thank you. No problem.
I've written.
All right.
Yes. Here you go. Nice level,
Yes. Yes.
Already bottomed out. Looking for what? A buy. Man, this.
That's crazy, man. Okay. Yeah, definitely looking for a buy.
But it will show some resistance, I think. and then a buy.
So what becomes resistance right about here? Looks like a multi-session W formation for me.
Yeah.
Um,
There are a lot of gaps upward, so it has to fill them
but
on the left side of the
I'm
structure.
not sure if they are doing this right now,
Yeah, they will
because
go up, then come down.
people will have their trend lines something like this, you know, so they are buying this breakout. So yeah, keep in mind that this could be a trap, a buyer's trap, you know, some
Yeah.
type of this shit.
It will hit a resistance, come down. It will be a triple retest, then going up. You know,
Yeah.
after exhausting
Yes.
the buyers, then they will move up finally.
Yeah.
And then we can check wheat. We are checking commodities more this time, you know, just changing the taste of the
Which one, bro?
wheat.
Wheat.
Yeah.
Wheat.
Yeah.
I have wheat here, yeah.
Not the weed. I have
No, please drop it in chat because
I have dropped in chat.
yeah,
Check.
thank you. Ah, all right. Nice.
You have
Sorry. All right, yeah.
and amazing, you know. Wheat is also looking.
I don't see anything, bro.
Oh, it's you are on 30 minutes.
Shit.
It takes time to load, you know. Just a one bar.
Wow.
Come on. Come on. So yeah, it is coming down to fill the gaps. I think so. So I think from 1960 something, it's coming towards this level, then going up.
Yeah, maybe they are showing some type of support right now. You know, getting people in, buying this. I don't know. I don't trade wheat.
I'm just saying, just for the sake of it, the market structure looks yeah. Now we can check maybe what do you want to check? Euro JPY. We have just the last 1.5 minutes.
Nice. Yeah, I think that it could
come back to the key level 114.
This one. And yeah, this one. And yeah, probably on Wednesday then they're going to reverse.
Yeah, that's what I think so. So yeah. It's something to look out for now. Definitely. This week.
All right, guys. So this was our pre-analyze session for today. I hope